let's see how we can install PyCharm version 2023.2. First, go to this URL. You can click the link in the description. This is the download page for PyCharm. Now you can choose Mac OS or Linux, but we are installing for Windows, so I'll click on Windows. Just click on download, and your download will start. By any chance, if your download does not start, you can click here and your download will start. So as you can see, our PyCharm download is complete. Now click on open file. If there is a pop-up dialog that says, do you want to install this application? Click on yes. So the installation wizard has opened. Click on next. This is where your PyCharm will be installed. If you want, you can change this directory by clicking on browse and going anywhere else you want, but I'll just install it in the default directory. Click on next again. Let's say we want to create a desktop shortcut, so we can double click on it. Click PyCharm here. You can click on this. If you click on this, when you double click on Python files, it will open in PyCharm. Now click next, click install, and the installation has started. Now the installation is complete. Click on run PyCharm and click finish, and our PyCharm will open. And let's see how we can create a sample Python project and run it. Click on I confirm and click continue. You can click on start trial and click on start trial. Click allow, click on continue, and your PyCharm is open. Now let's create a new project. So this is where you choose your Python version. So by default, this is selected, and I will not change anything at the moment. I'll just change the name. Let's call it first project. And this will create a new virtual environment for our first project. If you want to not create a virtual environment, you can click this and you can choose an interpreter that is installed. You can choose the system one. This is the default that will be used, but let's say we want to create a virtual environment. So I'll just click on this and we can create a virtual environment that will be used for our project. So now we have our project here ready. So let's see how we can run this. Close this and let this finish here. So once the project has finished setting up, you can just click on this and your project will run. As you can see, hi PyCharm is printed. So we have our virtual environment here and we have our main.py file here. You can write your code here, create your projects here. If you want to go to this project in Explorer, just right click and click on open in Explorer, and you'll be able to see the project. Inside this project there is our virtual environment, and this is the path where project is created. So this is how you can install PyCharm and create your first project. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.